PIH Health is proud to serve our community throughout all stages of life. Hospice care at PIH Health prioritizes providing comfort and quality of life for our terminally ill patients. The trained hospice professionals focus on the management of each patient's pain and symptoms while attending to their emotional and spiritual needs at the end of life. PIH Health's comprehensive hospice program offers the community 2 5-bedroom hospice houses located on adjoining residential lots in Whittier, California, just a few miles away from PIH Health Whittier Hospital. The Dove House and the newly renovated Rose House are designed to meet the needs of patients and their families in a home-like environment with round-the-clock care. Hospice care is provided by a team consisting of the patient, their loved ones, and the hospice medical team, which includes physicians, nurse practitioners, registered nurses, social workers, chaplains, aides, and specifically trained volunteers. Since 1990, PIH Health's hospice houses have offered physical, emotional, spiritual, and social support to our patients and community. We invite you inside the Rose House through this video tour so you will know what to expect when you or your loved one is admitted to a PIH Health hospice house. Named for its abundant rose garden located in the front of the property, the Rose House is located on a peaceful and private lot. The PIH Health hospice houses are a safe haven for patients whose condition requires round-the-clock skilled nursing care for symptom management or pain control. These homes also help to benefit caregivers in need of respite from their caretaking duties, offering a safe and secure place where they can trust their loved ones will be cared for as they take some much-needed time to care for themselves. All meals are provided for patients throughout their stay. There are also dedicated patient refrigerators available for loved ones to bring in and store the patient's favorite foods, and a dining area for patient and family meals and social gatherings. The Rose House offers both a cozy sitting area as well as a stunning family room. The fireplace and original wood-beamed ceiling add character and a warm touch of home. These spaces can be used for meetings with the hospice team or as a gathering space for family and friends. While designed to look and feel like home, PIH Health hospice houses are equipped with fully functioning nursing stations, similar to those found in hospitals, complete with computers for electronic medical record documentation and patient monitoring, as well as an automated system for medication management and disbursement. Nurses staff the houses 24 hours a day, providing comprehensive patient care and continuous support to the patient's family. Patients stay in state-of-the-art private rooms equipped with a patient lift system, oxygen, suction, call light system, cable television, and internet access. For safety, beds are equipped with alarms that immediately notify nursing staff if a patient attempts to get out of bed by themselves. Blankets are kept in warmers at the nursing station for patient comfort. And anytime, day or night, patients and visitors can call the nursing station for assistance. Family members are welcome to come spend as much time with their loved one as they'd like, whether in the patient's room or in any of the common areas located throughout the house. Each patient room is furnished with a pull-out couch and recliner for family members staying the night. Some patient rooms also have access to a private outdoor patio with table and chairs. Cherished personal belongings such as special blankets, pictures, and keepsakes are allowed in patient rooms to provide familiarity and comfort. PIH Health hospice houses are designed to be a home away from home where patients can spend memorable time with their loved ones. The Rose House's backyard features beautiful landscaping with flowers and trees, as well as benches for sitting, reading, meditation, or prayer. The backyard serves as a peaceful and quiet environment for those that may need a moment of solitude and privacy. Also located in the backyard of the Rose House, under the shade of a pergola, sits the Healing Wall. Inspired by the Wailing Wall in Jerusalem, the Healing Wall is an interactive artwork piece that invites family members to acknowledge and honor their loved one by placing something of meaning into the clay pouches, such as a note or flower. In addition to end-of-life care, PIH Health's comprehensive hospice program also includes PIH Health bereavement services, ongoing support services to family members throughout the 13 months after their loved one's passing. Our experienced team of social workers, chaplains, volunteers, and bereavement staff are here to help those experiencing loss develop healthy coping mechanisms as they navigate a new phase of life without their loved one. The program also offers bereavement support groups that meet in person and virtually. Please call 562-947-3668 for more information. For almost 30 years, the PIH Health Hospice Houses and in-home hospice services have provided high-quality end-of-life care for our community. The hospice houses set our hospice services apart by offering a serene place where the needs of our patients and their families can be met with compassion, solace, and peace. When searching for hospice care for yourself or a loved one, we invite you to consider PIH Health. For more information on the Hospice Services Program at PIH Health, please visit pihhealth.org/hospice or call 562-947-3668.